Hi, I'm Juanita and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. And this is filmed a little bit early because, 100,000 things. I think at the time that this gets released, I'm flying down to Christchurch. I think. So we're a couple of days ahead. And so today I am filming my tutorial and writing up the pattern for this Christmas tree. No one's asked me to make this Christmas tree, but I wanted one, and it'll glow in the dark. That's where the fascination comes from. So let's open up our Advent. This is again from Roxy Fibers, and yesterday was a pinky reddy shade, and it came with a little bird attached to it. My apologies for the wind. Hopefully I can remove some of the wind sound, but I can't remove the wind from my life. Oh, okay, right, okay. So today it's Roxy Fibers. Well, I mean, it's going to be Roxy Fibers every day because it's a Roxy Fibers yarn Advent, and I did get the sock yarn. So this one here has got a picture of a flower. It doesn't say anything on the back of the flower, but it's like a tulip. It's a pink tulip. So it's a pinkier pink than yesterday's that was a purplier pink, reddy pink. This is the Fetch sock wool, and it's come with some rainbow stitch markers. Now there's a dog paw emoji there because I think Roxy might be the name of the dog, and a lot of the fibers, like the sock yarn that I'm currently working up for my partner's birthday, is called Walkies. Honestly, she has lovely yarn. Such lovely yarn. So I think there's a ready spot here. I should have thought about where this shadow is falling, but I didn't. Which I think is going to be very similar to yesterday's colour. I think. Anyway, I should cake this up. What am I going to do with this? See, I don't know. I feel like I need to wait until I've got a few of them and then figure it out. Oh, we're going to have a bark, are we? Of course we're going to have a bark. Right, the other thing I thought we would work on right about now is I've done 90% of my Christmas shopping. I say 90% because whoever knows when they're done. I mean, I'm definitely not done with Christmas because most of my Christmas shopping involved buying yarn. Because if you're not getting something, well, if the intention isn't to knit you something for Christmas, who even am I? Yeah. But I ordered this box from Kmart a while ago, and it arrived, and I couldn't open it because there are gifts in here for other people who aren't going to be watching this. But I thought I'd go through because I don't remember what I actually ordered. Yeah, I'm one of those. Okay, first of all, we've got a very large, this is a 3XL, Christmas Hawaiian shirt, because again, Christmas in New Zealand, I wanted to, well, I've already ordered 3, and then I realised the dog doesn't have a matching Christmas shirt for the rest of us. So I needed to order another one. So because they do run a bit small, I ordered a size up so that then I can just shift everybody else's shirt up, and then I can chop one down to fit him. Because if I can't make him look like a Christmas shirt wearing Hawaiian shirt, Christmas and summer guy, I don't know what I can do. Right, next in my list, I have got a blank plain Christmas stocking. Why do I have a blank plain Christmas stocking? Because I'm the master of Christmas stockings. I did Christmas stockings for the first time in my life last year, and I nailed it. I loved my Christmas stocking. Now, I have been told since that you're not supposed to do your own Christmas stocking. Of course I'm doing my own Christmas stocking. I'd like to be surprised by me. To be fair, I start early enough that it is still a surprise to me what's in my Christmas stocking. But I thoroughly enjoyed it, but I didn't enjoy the Christmas stockings that we had. Then I was going to be like, I'm going to make Christmas stockings because I have all this time on my hands. I'm so empty of life. And then I found that at Kmart, they had these ones, which are already embroidered with a letter for $6. So I ordered them all in my previous haul because that's quite a roomy stocking and I can't make it for $6. But I couldn't get D the last time. So now I've got a D. I was after the D. All the children laugh. And I don't know whether or not we'll have anybody extra for Christmas. And I thought if we have anybody extra, I want a bonus Christmas stocking. The cat's not getting one. The dog is getting one. The cat is not. If that feels like, you know. Oh, yeah. So my partner got me a Christmas fedora a while back. And so now he's got a Christmas Santa hat. And he can stop wearing his bar humbug hat for Christmas, and he can be a Christmas cowboy. Yeah, he normally wears a cowboy hat anyway. I forgot about this hat, so this hat has filled me with joy. What else have we got? We have got pet light up antlers for Rocky. Come here, boy. Come here. Come to mummy. Come here. Come here. Are you excited? Are you too short? Are you excited? You're gonna look like Max, aren't you, from the Grinch? How do we do this? How do we do this? Is this like a sneak peek? Are you going to be less surprised when we get to Christmas Day? Come here. Come here. Oi, come here and be adorable. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. You numbnuts. Right, okay. Okay. Are you going to... He is. I kill all the things. I kill all the things. There we go. There we go. We're not adjusted, but I think we're going to make... Will I remember to edit that out? Probably not. I will probably post it as is. Now we're all misangled. Anywho, where's he gone? Somewhere my dog is a Christmas reindeer. So there's that. Right, what else did I get? Oh, I actually forgot that I ordered these. I got Christmas stickers because everybody forgets those, and that feels like it's being organised. I did actually go into a $2 shop the other day, and I bought more. I bought myself this. I don't need this, but you have now seen Rocky's one, so you'll understand why this was an imperative purchase. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And it glitters. Yep. Am I going to be able to wear my Christmas fedora with my antlers? I think I have some antlers from last year as well, but I don't have glittery ones. So there's that. Then what we've got is mini Christmas light craft trim. I was actually thinking about the mini Christmas light craft trim and making a Christmas tree. But then I remembered I have the glow in the dark yarn. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. Maybe I'll be mini Christmas light craft trimming a necklace for myself. I have seen the light up ones. Those are cute. I would buy one if I saw one again. Right. Inflatable baubles. I'm going to hang them in the garden. Probably. I think they were like $5. I don't know. No, $13. $13. But there's 3 of them. And they're inflatable baubles. And then the gift that's in here, a mini ice cream maker. It produces ice cream and sorbet in 15 to 25 minutes. I used to own one of these, and then I thought I was too grown up and got rid of it. But this is a gift for somebody. The plan is that the Christmas stocking is going to include like one of those long handled parfait spoons and like some sort of dessert thingy parfait bowl, and it'll be like, oh, nice, thanks. And then later on in the day at actual Christmas gift opening, it'll be like, an ice cream maker. Now all the other things make sense. Oh, Juanita, you've won Christmas. Yeah, I know. I am particularly nuts. So I figured that what we'd do today is we would just catch up with the garden. I'll show you some of my weeds, and we'll go and see the sheep, and I need to do this, and yeah. Oh, the elephant in the room. I've pulled the tendon in my thumb. Pulled the tendon. What did the doctor say? Long Latin words, traumatic. I heard traumatic. Something or other tendon thing. And then the arm physio built this thing. And there's supposed to be like a sleeve underneath it. But I don't like wearing it. I can't touch my fingers very easily. What I can do, ironically, is I can knit. Because it turns out that my thumb doesn't do anything on that hand when knitting. So that's a good thing. Yeah. Right, so there's that. Now, what should we do first? Maybe I'll film my Christmas intro for the tree in my shirt. That's probably the next thing to do. You will see the shirt before you see this video, because I'm hoping that I'll have this up at the end of the week. And then you'll see it again. Both times you will have seen it before this video. Yeah, we'll go and see the sheep. Yeah, we will. Yeah. Right, so here's my strawberry patch. It does not look anywhere near as impressive on camera. This has been a labour of labour. Like, so much labour has gone into the strawberry patch. We've had some cold days, so at the moment, no strawberries. Why is this not covered in netting? Because I am a sucker for punishment, and I'm letting the birds get it. Well, the birds have had a rough winter, so if we zoom in there, look, they're eating away at my strawberries before they're even ripe. But my hope is that very shortly there'll be so many strawberries that even the birds won't be able to keep up with it. Over here we've got raspberries, boysenberry. I think the boysenberry was part of my birthday present, and the raspberry there was part of last year's Christmas present. The year before Christmas present? I don't know, I've lost track. So this is my strawberry patch. The strawberry patch is kind of massive. I think it's like 50 square meters. And then, excitingly, we've got the potato patch. Yep. The potatoes. I planted 8 different types of potatoes. These ones are starting to flower. These are rocket. These should be ready by Christmas. So that is a dream, to dig these ones up at Christmas. This bench needs washing. It's covered in bird shit because the birds are sitting down and going, oh, what should we eat today? I know, strawberries. That's what we should eat. Yeah. I mean, the rest of the garden's looking less than. The path needs weeding. The sunflowers aren't sunflowering yet. There's a lot of red poppies. And if I stand here, you can't see the embarrassment that is the corn that decided not to grow. But everybody's having corn struggles. So there's that. Maybe we'll go up and see the sheep next. Yeah, we'll see the sheep. Before we get to the sheep, these are the cabbages. These ones were not award-winning. This one here that's not there was award-winning. It was a Savoy cabbage, but it was bigger than that one. And now I've got some not award-winning cabbages. I have put my strawberries, no, tomato plants in between there. And then this is what is really annoying. I've planted so many cucumbers and only 2 of them are currently still alive. I do have more seedling cucumbers. However, does anyone want a cabbage? Like, I've got many cabbages. I can't eat this many cabbages. Like, I literally can't. Right, so there's boots and there's mittens. They're getting quite big. And I think they need drenching because it's been so damp. But, I mean, in the meantime, Boots looks quite pink, which is bizarre. Just seeing whether or not they're interested in a lettuce that's just gone past it, because the one thing I like from my sheepies is life enrichment. I mean, we usually just read books and cuddle in the paddock because the dog enjoys their company most of the time. Oh, but you're the best sheep, aren't you? You're the best sheep. Boots is my favourite, but that's because Boots is a bit older and I got to cuddle with Boots earlier. And Boots was the one that was presented to me on my birthday. And then I had to pick from the other orphan lambs. Oh, you're here too, are you, Dingus? As to which ones I wanted. And it was really difficult to decide. But Mittens had a really nice personality. She didn't have a name, Mittens, then, but the others were boys, and I didn't know how it would go having boy sheep and girl sheep, and if we'd end up with some baby lambs and I'd have to know their husbandry and, you know, life struggles. You're such a good sheep. Yes, there you are, my four-legged friends. You're all three sheep. Well, at least he thinks he's a sheep half the time. Yes, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Are you bored with your lettuce now, darling? Oh no, you're not bored with the lettuce. You just needed another sniff, did you? They really like poo, huh? And the last sheep that broke into my garden really enjoyed the cabbage. But this lettuce has definitely gone past what I want to eat. But I've got others to take down to the chickens. You're just going to rub your head on it, are you, darling? That's not weird. It's probably weird. But at least she's enjoying it. And you think you're just going to try and get all the grass on this side, do you? When there's a nice lettuce right there.